brother for Kotokron Castle. Sana first can even swallow for so common order. Who are you? Oba.
Where are they?
Zaka.
No, I drinking no face you.
What's Ella!
Okay.
What did I tell you when I saw you some while back?
My police streets are watching that me. I bro. Me did be crying. You don't allow me. No.
You didn't have shame enough. You didn't have self-awareness enough. You have the effrontery to barge into my house, get into my kitchen, take my pastries out of the fridge, warm it, gutter my husband's drinks, and make yourself comfortable at home, right? Really? You are a leech, right? You are a blood sucker, right?
You taking advantage of people.
You are just an opportunist.
Oh.
Yes.
Do it channel the buy.
That's a me carry me tree and you know so from one takakana.
Do you care for your life? Now, oh, shame any more medicinal here. Unqua is it for how?
Oh, am I ready to say?
If I should see you near my house again, not even inside my house.
Sure.
If I should see you in the vicinity of this house, I swear to God, that day will be the end of your life.
Please.
I mean, too brave for crowd.
Who's maybe baffled? We are too for you.
Do you know how I've suffered to bring up after my son? How long did it take you? It has taken you just a few weeks to put all my hustle into this array.
Who be Sammy me?
This is just the beginning of what I can do to you.
Mom,
will you come to this house again? Will you come to this house again? And who told you we mix gin with whiskey and brandy with juice and coke?
Meat pie.
You're just a parasite. You think? Come on, get out! Will you get out of my house? Come on, get out! Get out of my house! You stupid! Hey! Are you still standing there? Hey, F4! Do you know this boy?
Oh, Rasta Biggie?
Yes. I have seized him from coming to this house. A free neko, sir, or best lose the dogs on him. What will come now? Losing come and one so. What? When you say baby, I will feel quite well. And now where you mamma bow?
Never do that.
If I should see you in my house again.
Go on.
You will see what I will do to you.
Go on, Rasta.
Foolish boy.
Oh.
Are you still there? Are you still there? Get out!
Hey. Why you thinking it?
Efo! I'm serious.
Hey.
Efo!
Hey, Rasta. Better be careful. Hey.
Oh my God.
Madam.
What at all?
You're pushing me. You're pushing me.
Efo! Efo!
Hey.
What are my name? Kobian Kamai. Jai, what are my name? Kobian Kamai.
Okay.
Kobian Kamai. Go and open up the doors. Come in. I don't love you. I was say, come in. Come and face my dogs. Efo bien Kamai. Bien Kamai. Meaning, sir. Efo me say Kobian Kamai la. Jai na manemla. Efo bien Kamai. What are my name? Bien Kamai. Bien Kamai. Go, Johnny. Come and face my dogs. Come and face my dogs. I saw you stubborn now. Me put and I mean, may you stubborn mama chain will be. Bring the dogs. Bring the dogs.
Daddy, you deserve one funny question. What prompted the creator of the universe to come and live with us and die for his creation?
Dad, it's love. And it's in John 3:16.
For those who love the word.
Yeah.
So you now understand the word love. Love means sacrifice.
I do, Dad.
I know say also I know how you feel. So fully into a bar so I know say sometimes it's very difficult. It's just like difficult to break the chain of poverty. So Sahana go for bar so it's all said and done. Umami wukura no ntiasia. Yeso ye hia umami ebusu yin ba begina. Bibini ese ye pa umami ebusu yin so umami nu ebi na baba. This umami ntiasia. You can't do certain things. I mean, away with your mother. You can't ever draw scale of preference and forgone your mother. So yeah, not sometimes me to say, but say no man, see relationship. She says she colonial management. At least where they are on the wall. Yes, a man is born of a woman, educated by a woman, growing up with a woman, and then falls in love with a woman. So why lack respect to women? What I say? I was a thing behind woman no head. Dear woman is here opa. So I don't know yes, sir.
Dad, first of all, I will just thank you for the ultimate plight and my grievances as well.
Right.
All this while I was thinking, say you would be supporting your wife or my mom, but what you said, Ampa, you're my dad and you're a man too. To be honest, Dad, Adiana Ekosu, it's neither the fault of mine or the lady. Makwa kushia obi, I'm a person minute now. Dad, nipa am person minute now. Unfonso obi eni.
How will you know?
Nipa ne maame ene disabled. Nene nefra. Eno nkoenti. Mommy say auntie asiye. For me to go in such a family.
I say me cut you, but I say when it comes to culture and law, as a royal reality. Yeah, that's animal we see. Penifon who is behind the scene, I consider animal we now. And you didn't why so much concern about saying, but all send it down. I'll talk to her. So, because me grana me media kumiano. Maybe you have met my so what I say, but yeah, never some of him mechi. You understand me? You know, I'll talk to her. But master, you need to so because about and on because of me to know my mental base you need to be very careful. So what I say, all women are created equal, but we the finest become accountants. Good.
That's all. Thank you so much. That's about for your words. I really appreciate it.
Sometimes I need here.
What can I say, Mati? But I think I will say one mommy ekasa. Because it shouldn't always be the case. Sikanko sikem na unyanko. No, that's not the case.
Sometimes there are reasons.
Dad, reasons are a fair enough. I understand, but you also have to understand my feelings. When the feelings there, you can have control over. So simple like that.
You know what's wrong with your mom? He doesn't want you to sacrifice your feelings, your life for feelings, rather.
You don't come in pie bunny and say, I hope more by ya do not be your wife. Was a new young cow, if you are coming. Now, your mammy by you, fear, hey. Eva, so me mobile. Me ma a report for France, I may come a brabo. So, a bear, catch you who could have flabranty. Now, more penny many down, so move free men, cyber army. So, what's it? Me mobile. So, you see, I'm up any nipam whom one I'm a rare achiche. Na se me yet na mo hwere me a ehin na mefa ewura fa mo hye me pataji ni me bobo ati
no de o kan na na ti ase na abapa na na so no me zime jume on fina na Adjei
sa koma won so swaga ababa we ya won ne nam hwa titi ya wakomu hwo hawa wa fam misrew mama mi hu hia mo kakra wate twu hu firi no misrew bebia wo ko ye nie bebia wo nua ba ko ye nie ni se nyankopon na eche becha ma na so ye so misrew wate
no no kan it asan se de jin kan mama na me ye hu de ye jina se hia wo he ni sika ye ni twaka se na ni Adjei a odi ne sika no sa na ye nso ye ni Adjei eni ye hia nti won ye so waka atwe ho afa ni pamanto asan se obi ni bebe ho obi da achi ana ne ye kwaso ye nim se ba be hia ne pe bi se ebi ana nyankopon ni de wo ye ni ti na amakwa na we ye esi nti waka mate atwe ho afa
that's sana swaga mpesa o so
ye mbese de bi ya ye de ani be ye fam sa
se enra wo ka se do de na wo mfikyire ho enini ana me bo
mama o ka so ba ko pan kura na ogina wo
ko twa mre be nku nti e mre dodo we sa mfikyire ni pafa ho de bia de obe hu ana obi akotwa wo why swaga ko twa mama what it
Into man.
You look so maroon. Why? Is anything the matter?
No. I'm just really so tired.
You still don't look cheerful. I know the man I got married to. There's something bothering you. Do you care to share? Huh, my dear? You don't look cheerful at all. What is bothering you?
I understand you don't want your son to sacrifice her life for feelings.
Excuse me? I said she said.
I know say you may be right. But sometimes we are also on the right. So so now also at least Onya kwalabi. He's of age. I didn't think of a onya ni partner and afi. Oh, no. It's neither here nor there. And yes, oh yes, I did. At least give him some time.
Nana, about your many sound. Why not say? Whoa. Now, when time and your brain, Miss Mempenman and Adjei is a running tonight. I want him near me, person me bomb mobile. Why he near me, person a demo? Why he near me, person me pageant and a mayor's idea? And I want to walk say. Wona yes so we the right model to protect our traditions, and I wona walk say.
Yeah, of course, tradition, no, but sometimes I say the parties when you're the right or maybe at least not to the extent so we cannot share to charge me. No.
I'm sorry, Abashaboni. From incredible, and washing an Adjei chose, man, and you are butchers at Yaba. Won't you message them kind of credit? Adena, Akonya, a animal dear. A yanny a cassette, said you'll be at the demand. I say, Bibi, and Papa will live on my emperor in Yaguna. Because they want to protect the royal lineage. A young Benty. Minyano, a man in Kofa, Sabini friendly back. Minka Sabikra. Minyano, no friendly back.
Point of correction. I don't know what's wrong with that.
There is everything wrong with that. Posterity will charge us wrongly because of any more in a poem at so. Now back of out will be an man here did them. Now what precedence do you want to set? Nana, me boo ferro do. It was when you may be a wait yeah. Or therefore, say so or shut them, say me di and one broken head in Kumnipa.
And I also not sit in a my comfortable zone and watch things go out of hand.
We disagree to agree or whatever, but this time around, read my lips, my dear husband. I don't concur with you.
You never understand the damage you did to someone until the symptoms done to you.
As a man, I never was a small woman. Huh? Because I'm.
Honestly, me mean to go here. Papa, no, can answer. It's me to here. Possible.
For Chama, dear me, is a way of Bema and Calvatias. But as a quine out of Padimafaso. But Maribia Mecani or Domini Dowa, Casala and Calvapa and Camajo, which you Cadio in Camajo, which you did, but you've been a can as a modonti. But if I tell me, or Cassam, when I mean, for Champa, why? We are at it. Is you cross each time, but my bunch,
I feel safe. I'm a damn no pounds. What am I? Number pound, Papa, who you mean? Who you mean? It's time. But
being a CBM, dear, babies, me who we are missing and what are not. No, grab up. Why? I can't matter. So, and they want to work as a busy. What's the matter? Be Judy, but the upper pie and send you be at us. I mean, no, the upper pie and be Judy, and I mean, him the wheel city. Yan dear self, a Persica Dawa will come far. But and Prince at Tibisa, or party and where Miss Munsem or the best about the way in so long as I know only the property. What yes, I didn't.
And I don't find yes,
the last time, yeah, some guy. Because over 2 years on to 1 year, okay, yes, animal now. I won't, yeah. But mammy, okay. Okay.
I say, what's that? So, as a problems, no, in an abandoned auntie.
As a more. But my own,
I mean, massive.
Papa ngasa no ba wiase ma yo. Oba wiase ma the same thing na your papa.
How do you? I'm hoping say at least what's that? But I mean if you no I need be na too say na him man so. I say me say na him man so ko ni ma feel hope ye ni ma be hard.
Na ma any achi obi hu say me ma me say bi nani afra kwa de. Asem no kwa say because ana no kwen so on say sometimes obi o ha o kan asem bi obedwin say bi na sika o wonti na o de kan asem but what I say ahimfie na say bi o mo de share ko wale obi ani afra but we hwa na nto asum no kwen so no wo kan no kwen wo kan but
the sales that how taking it. Are you okay?
Well, you okay? No, who are you okay already? Are you okay? But don't
see me. To say left a boy, right a boy. Let's hope for the best. Right.
You na yen so na obi ansa me ho anko kan che papa ma wansa ma fi.
Ku see you quite fine. You cook Kenya.
Okay. Ma no se me ofi.
Na see you quite.
Kenya so na nkura fu. O de yen kwango be.
Ade ron peso be bana. Obi a mi hia o ma gina sa. Ah. Ano ba na BBS? Alright. I don't know peso be bana. I'm making close to 30 minutes. So first, can make us share. Remember, I know you're here. Just a what chap grab 5 minutes. When 30 good minutes. 30 minutes. What's going on?
No, my Adjei. Eh? Ana na me ankasa me pesa me boa me ho na me de be hia. Na me ne odi nkomo we. Ana me da se. Ye di nkan. Mo a obo a me nyina osuro nananom enhira. Oba ya brabom no aye bia maye. Enso me hu ne se emre wo se ye gya ye homa obi a kokobo ne bra na bi ni. San se gya. O ma me nsemo ne me kan ye nyina no. Metie ana me nso me ma me ne makasa. Ntinka we de mesro ye ntwa bibia so na obi a hye na bra ba se foforo.
Era. Asuma kan wa mama adwin ya ye me na kakra. Nsema a wo kan era me ma me na wo be ware na na say ye.
Asa ma me o wo so wompene. Ana me nso me ma me na de nyina ne me ni menua be men. Ko mu anso obi anim. E ma me bi ato no. Ntenti me ba se me na me ye panyin na. E wo se me koba de bibi ba na ketwa no onanya bi ade no. Me be kwa amane ma obehwe se me nkom tinka wadaroma. Nyame nshira wo nanka. O yente ye ho ase na fa wo kwan na me mfa me kwan.
Je say dem no kasa kura minti mfa me nsanka. Era nyoma esisi. Me ma me ntika mu. Nyoma esisi between me ne wo kwa. E wo se e ka bibi kirew. E wo se e kirew se me do. Era come the one can nyoma me ma start here.
Menim sa do me pass.
E titi nsi apese oni me.
O ye na ma bebre ma me ne mabusuafo no. Meso ma bepe wa asem. Enso adam fafa wo befa na yonko wo befa e chire obenya mu amane ama ye de wabusua ne eniema bi ebegu woni mu fin ne je me ho ne se moa.
Era forget about my mom. Me me papa kasa ma se bibia okay. It's left with my mom and na me papa guso ne kasa. Nti rosisi a wo be me eja de akura na me kofie kura anansa de na me ma me kura beka. Unsa oba no mpe. Asem kakra si ye ono waja.
De oba hunso obaka ne bia o de onka. Me wi ase me wo no. Ye nya me firi ho ma me na eba. Ana me nya be ma no. Omo ne makasa nti no. O sa tinka bia me wo ma obi a me ma ne bese ne ko. Timpa cho so ye ne sa.
Nti atinka ne ko ana afi na be me na afi na oba be me na ko. Which is which?
Omo ne makasa ye no.
Nti ewra atinka ne ko ana afi na be me na ko.
Efra kwa kafa.
Enya hwe efa na ewo no era. Yentina se yebetimi.
Na ehie. Right. Me so enfrem na enfrem e bi mpacho ma. Ma menje me ho me ni mabusu
Era. Ah, era nti wutwa afa me so akọ. Era.
Adjei. 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 What is now your hoza? Ah? Me ko wujina ha me nimse me fa bonti amba na wakakoda. Ugu sujina ha no yesi ya dene how.
So the other one mo pemi.
Dene ye pel.
So mo pemi yani. Ana nyese ko pemi.
Dene ye pel.
Me kuma wo am pese me ko no. Mo pese me ko no. Ah? So mo pese me ni beji.
Adjei.
Yeah, wait about me, Adjei. Mo pese me ni beji, right?
Ah, na yesa dia wo yo ho na girl nti na wo yesi. Na Adjei. Hey. Ma.
Sister Pia, I had me fast already. Very nyam crowd. Obi a me say me pay 2 40-liter container of oil. Na mo only 1 40-liter pe. One container, sister Pia, I'm so many customers. People back go half container. Epacho. Me ba China hono. Mo ye me say Kumasi me nko na ne sole distributor of that oil. So you can't tell me say niema me pen mo mfa ma me mo de kwa Accra na Kumasi for so yenya den. Oh dear, Pacho, I'll get back to you. Why? Then once some come on. Why? Pacho, the customer is leaving me so far. What is it?
What should the Adjei yen ho ho?
Oh yeah then. What has Adjei done again?
One no is happening there when he's crying. At the end, the opposite way no ho ni no be ku ne ho no asa.
Nti we enti na wo dey stay.
Serious to the best na kwona kwahwe no because
a girl ni enti no wo su. Huh?
Also wait one man now worry girl now be ku ne ho and I can't stand it please. Person no kwona kwahwe no.
I don't blame him. Ne yonko na onye yonko pa. I don't blame him.
Ma be say ko de Adjei yen ho ho. Be she. So one room me be de o ho.
And what is the meaning of this? Adjei, you can drink yourself to a stupor. I don't care. You can cry a bucket full. I don't care. I have said what I said, and I still stand on my word that there's no way in this world that I will concede for you to marry that thing you call a girlfriend. Why would you go below your social status? That dirty thing is at the lowest ladder in the social system.
Mom, any word from you again, I'm gonna kill myself.
A word from home. Kwana kuku. What the nyai Jimmy Samano? A word from a boy. Or Benty said, I'm gonna kill myself. Go and kill yourself. Foolish boy. Or you think I'm going to unbend? No! Ella, I am still standing on my word. Your brother is not getting attached to that girl.
He's going to kill himself. Who did not say he's not going to marry the girl?
He cannot.
So what if you wake up and you go and see him?
There's no way. I know my son. My son is not that courageous to commit suicide. No.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
anymore. Still, you got that was now. I wanted to talk to you about something.
I hope it's not about your brother. I am sick and tired of that boy's name in this house. Why is everybody bombarding me with Naneji?
Who else do you think I'm coming to talk about? Point view. That's the means to me, Bekanjo. Who did you say that I cry you free town? See, baby, I'm a corner. It's about Naneji, ma. Once you heard the oil no more with your age and a car on the. When was the last time I saw Betty Natty body to the edit?
No, Naneji, I'm not doing so better.
He's acting weird and it's serious. It's getting out of hand.
No, I'm not going to answer you. Me, my butt done. I'm quite Munkobisa. That's how Papa you're here and worrying into my titanium. Now, says I need a friend in a banner of offense on Bahamia. Me maintain me form plans. I'll take out planning. You will see who is who.
Ma, any friend in Yamene born, or any party say,
it's a stain on our reputation. How?
But does he want to allow that?
No, why would Naneji blemish our royal line? Or try to blemish our royal lineage?
Is he the first royal to do that? He's not the first person to set such an example.
Not on my watch. Not on my watch as a mother. Posterity will not even judge me well. Not on my watch as a mother.
So you want to lose your son because of a woman?
He will not die. What
if someone has committed suicide?
He's also not that courageous.
Do you think Oneji into me, suicide thoughts to me vanity?
Or the phone shit.
Ma, what them is
Ni friendly ba. Krasini. How?
We are being too harsh.
What am I going to tell my contemporaries? What am I going to tell my business associates? What am I going to tell the other part of the family? No.
So you think about outsiders than Osanimije?
Why wouldn't Naneji also think about how I feel?
Ma, this is
since he's being selfish, I also wouldn't mind being selfish.
So you don't want to allow him do whatever he wants to do?
He's not getting married to that girl, no.
Ma, maybe BC, I will blame you if in case anything happens.
Nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. Naneji is just being childish. Nothing is going to happen. Because you're there, man. And I'll bet now rains and you wouldn't sorry chain. I bet not football to Inasa. But the man, you've not fallen too far from the tree. But I'm chill.
Now what be from one. Hey, madam Simo Biam. Madam Simo Biam.
I'm from the boss mo.
Tamana na catch yourself.
Never from Naneji. What if I can for
Madam Simo mi my own bafia.
I'm a chaba when you see a
party ban now.
Nana from me I was a
na me ko bisa na na.
What
who are you? Hey, hire me office. Never catch no too much cigar no there.
Boss me.
Who me maso on the office.
Fa ngaba maso mfa twi mo so hele be call nko. What what that?
Masa, sanwachi. Oye de ben. Okotwi sika ya na. Me madam mama kama gagara komo. Go back.
The sin nana efiewura ana afafo na frame se membra. Wajimi. Won't twi. Nana says I should come inside. And you're fooling yourself like that. Are you a fool? Are you a fool?
Me, my security man, I catch him seven. Hey! Me, Faki.
what your son is doing is childish. Nana, you know we cannot allow him to tangle with that girl. This is just emotional blackmail he's using. Hey! Did I tell you not to come to this house again?
Okay, hold on. I personally invited you to.
Nana, this boy is such a bad influence on our son.
No. It's not what you think. It is not what you think.
Amala.
Hey!
Everything about him oozes delicacy. Everything about him oozes truancy. Everything about him oozes ragamuffin rascal.
I keep telling you that you don't have to judge a book according to the cover of it. You're wrong. Anything I will hear, sir. I personally invited him here.
Other friend. I said, I'm not looking on.
Yeah.
Don't pretend you don't know he's in there. Has he not been calling you? Has he not been letting you go with your phone to talk to the girl?
Jesus Christ. Nana, like you said, we're looking on your sister Kobo. So I thought you'd be a personal friend that when you shy BSM. Okay, they could try now.
Oh, no.
I don't want him in the bedroom view.
Oh, I know.
It will be say here.
So disappointed.
Pacho.
And my dear, are you letting such a drunkard go and let my son be intoxicated again to get his feelings all wrapped again?
Go.
I am not in support of this, my dear. Seriously. I am not of the same accord with what you are doing.
What's actually wrong with this one?
Krasini, Papa, we do something.
No. Don't go there. Don't go there.
Now we'll jump here up and down.
Leave.
I think I'll follow my daughter's lead. I will sit here to listen to this nonsense. Sorry, my dear. Sorry. It wasn't targeted at you.
No.
I will sit here to hear you talk to this man entity. And look and learn. This is how we ascend staircases in mansions.
That's escalator. Elevator and escalator. There are transfer broken. Send a quantum.
So, what was the result?
Maybe boom and catches a year or just so make a sapphire. Okay. Also, what that crowd, sorry. They were against each other. Mamma Mupa, their home pit. Numbers on a way, yummy.
No. Hey, when women get tired, it doesn't happen overnight. Sometimes you need to understand them.
As I was in Kofi and hospital.
Why? Titi, what's the point of the story?
But so is kind of this and back. Who's going to be debate for this because you are sorry.
2 days.
2 days, they beat the attempts. And I mean, I know. Quite see be a hospital.
Oh, they couldn't be CBA friend. Why?
I come to hospital.
No, they be CBA.
I'm going to hospital.
So, Momo.
Hey, Sana, and you're for Kano.
Yeah, they won't appreciate you there. They are more here. And now go account. What the cock of you? and the car now kind so. I come once a week. The mom will check. And I won't come here.
Papa. And you're about an age, I 17, I'll bet them 500,000 to my account in the bed. Kai, me can you also better than that. Tin your money, yes, as I didn't know, I'll more check and I didn't.
So, is there anything wrong with somebody scan out 2 accounts in Mamaka Kano as a man? Well, one of will say, Adai has no answer. And it's not the best, always at last. To come with me, oh, you're not a film. To be honest with you, you're the best. What I say? Obia on your right. I keep saying that Obia on the right. Obia on the feelings. Obia was saying we see person of one bravo. They say Oja Kolabi. And I won't janoma. I won't take a seed of it.
No.
Why?
Ebra na wo pɛ me aware no. Obusuafo mama anya na easy how.
That was them.
Oh, for beside sa bia no. Ye bushi mu bia kwa wo so ama na amefida. Ana obi ko wa mana guda. Obisa say e ma na wo fie dodo say na aware omo wo masen. Obisa sa nya bia edam bibi obi edem e wo ye fie. What has changed? I am trying to protect the purity of your royal lineage. You born anything. And I don't think girl no ayekwa. The girl is just a gold digger. No. Or mommy ni friend in the bush of on a paper and say I had or anybody.
There you
or
go. There you go.
Yes. And it is my mandate as a virtuous woman not to let my son corrupt the purity of your royal line. Yes. I will not have it.
So,
if you think that 500,000 you've pushed into my account and the car you've paid for will sway me or will change my mind, it is a lie.
all right, that is your opinion. It's not mine. So allow the boy to enjoy the fruit of what? Life. Allow him to enjoy the fruit of what? Love. Let him feel so easy in life. My love.
Okay, can't say I say me na my nipa boni. Say why ya ele kan wo so woka. Say me na me nipa boni a me mpene ma me balen enya na ni je wa brabo me bua. Mate. Me nipa boni ni magiatu. Me nipa boni ni yes. No. Magiatu. I did not know me performing the duties of a mother will paint me black in front of my family.
Has painted you black.
All right. All the odds are against me. You guys have connived to gang up against me. Okay. I have nothing to say. Freubano, you're back on. I tell why. I am the bad person now. I am the bad person now for choosing what I think is best for my son. Yes, I am the bad person. Thank you for conniving with your daughter and your son against me.
I was in was that there. And like tell me pa dia. Bang drink radio. Coffee na. Ele makata manana que para o luxo. Vem ao seu
Hey, learn how to monster.
That is never.
What's your problem?
I said, I said, why are you capra? Why said, why you to be? They turn about their wife. We turn about say why? Why, ma'am? Why say why? Stay, I say, why say why? Is that? Why say why? Abro, then the casa sama bread. Kami bile ko ayi ti o bodo ko busu o se ke balu te ba oba aba ma chi 5 William so ba aso oba ila ti si ba no, it's a bit 2 days. You said anything to him. I told you, let's see from now. I'm not now. Never.
No, my name is Ray.
And I am also no.
No. Adjei. My name is Ray.
That's all. I'm ready. See, I'm
ready.
That's all. You couldn't see that. Abre na casa.
Yeah.
As I teach you, you
who did it?
Fast the chance our mother. And I'm a bro.
No.
Usu sa. Ni na yeko. Me ko usu sa.
It is not your fault.
He's done well, done enough for me.
What has he done?
Absolutely nothing.
I don't blame him. It is my son I blame. You people have tagged me as the bad person in this house. Yes, I am the bad person. Yes. Will you get out of my sight? This is a family gathering. Get out of my sight.
I'm so sorry, Paul.
He needs a shoulder to lead on.
I'll be a shoulder for him.
Hey.
This is an intimate family gathering. Akwesi or whatever you call yourself. Get out from this house.
Sorry.
Hey. At least give you the maximum respect, okay?
What respect? What respect? Is he not an intruder? Baby, come on. Oh my dear, don't do baby.
What are you smelling?
I want him out of my sight. That's it.
Oh,
I'm so sorry, but yes.
We're here for me.
And my order still stands. I don't need you in my house.
Hey, for what reasons?
I just don't need you. There's something about reasons. I just don't need me in my house.
For doing nothing. Yo.
Next week.
Do the metro.
Village champion.
I was Nana.
You will cry upon my head. You will have done me as the bad person in this house. Yes, I am the bad person. I have consented. That is what you want. You can go ahead and marry that girl. I have consented. I am the bad person here. I am the bad person. I have consented. You can go on and marry your girl. Yes, I am the bad person. My dear, tell your precious son that he can go on and marry the love of his life. Yes.
He's not your son.
Has he attacked me as a bad mother?
Tell him.
Adjei, go ahead and marry the love of your life. I have consented. Yes, I am the bad mother here. I am the bad mother.
Mom.
It's okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand.
I wash my hands off this affair. You can go ahead and marry the love of your life. Let me go outside.
Mommy, come and sit down.
Adjei, I am not a bad mother
Let's
to
see
you.
the day came.
I am not a bad mother to you, right? Go ahead and have your fairy tale wedding with the love of your life.
Is it the case or? Yeah, I understand. Money does not determine happiness in life. It is based on wonderful people in your life. No. Stop crying. Me come here to the aware. Me come here to the aware. Nti na okwa himfia yenkosu o nusu o pe e be chu bibia na ya boka konye bi e chesu. So wipe up your tears and then we talk about it later. With the Oma, so what tears, I have no problem with it.
Did any man cancer?
Oh, on the done
so much. It seems as saying any amount for to accept things and it's hard. Why?
Take it to the house and talk to you.
And I am saying so Jean-Paul.
Safu Aruwa. Yana me chose a friend. Na umze some bebre sisi. Di twa ni di entwa yi. Nsusu ni nyina no. Ketima na sinkwa no omokuntokwa. No mo sai dana. Mo afa yanko. Ni esi bia. Etwam. Se mi ba no. Menene ma me nyina ya pinso. Pese oware nipa no sebe nipa omu ya nka so wodi dem ni wo ne so wodi dem so tese
mo de fo pacho ni se wodi kasa kakare so ye de kasa nana asana wo kan manti asie yi etika be sa sisupi ama maso yi ewere ma ka be me de pa
Adwa Panta. Senya mi rasie sanete.
Sese
Eyemme ena me hwe gina yi. Senka me mpene. Mama nsen ekwanya me ba ne de ma fa so no. Ema me hunu say yodokan na me ba no de do eye modishie no.
Hey yes.
And this has also shown me a couple of lessons in life. That I should be humble. In fact, it has shown me humility and to take humanity as it is. Sebi, manu da sumenem. Obi a wadi dem ana.
Wadi dem ene kure waka. Eti se de eme wonwa. Sa fe mo amasa to sa fe ne ba ya wodefo e tu na nutu open se.
Will you let me learn?
Just say mo ba ne be wale ye menwe yi ba. Menti ase. Different way yale fo. Ai ma we de wana ka we yale.
Ana make
ana yale fo na wo ba. Eti musi eni.
Will you let me learn?
Oh, when
are you the mother? So why are you being an interference? Why do you keep interrupting me? Okay. I am sorry. I am really sorry. And sometimes time me kai nyina me no me ho mafom onfo cheme se bi nipa bia ho hia wo wiase na awade pese me hia ho brase na awade pese me di nipa bia
me pachos
aye me ho ade
ana me pacho ani de kwaso akwana tine ni so oya na mode ni fam me tunifo e de adwena hyebitini Sabi, Yesu Kristo wonche no so se wa wale no wo so no wo ma ho iti menene ka asase na wo se atene ni so tumu ba no
Panta, you are not the mother, you are not the daughter. Why are you jumping the gun? Why are you jumping the gun?
Oni the person with Tifa Miss Safwan, asem no kan won kan kire me.
They want it in the market.
Na me say ono en kan kire me.
Na me pa che wo we dey net ma we ntwe asem ni o. We dey ye di wa ana maba.
Sebi. But therefore, and a creativity. Only and I'm so pretty baby. Sebi, and you're therefore the bare feet and over Casachi and Sar. In my own canny. And who can you so young and more blue? And your mammy said, or other force, or no. You will catch it in the eyes and may pet. Hey, didn't you wear it? And about this, I was much of you, and I'm never cook or so. Dear, what can we be our family before? You know, none of me now for your cars, I didn't or born in the friend. But wait, I'm a Matthias says, I'm son and young point when you're better. I just saw you and you make natural or the near money chinchi. What's your money now? What's in Timatina Miasi? Nana, you know. You saw only Koyi and said, near Bill said, we are cocos and we are to do. Emco, Bema crowd, or poor men and warrior. I will free and be seen a man who knew that. So here she am a layer, and so may move, or may he say. And I am young Libya. To be many one, or 47, send back now, therefore. Not sure I'm Anna, fetching you can't be as Martina. Yes, so I'm not so massive. Oh, good.
This evening, you're witching my wedding, Mamma. That's a baby.
Miss Safwan.
See how shamefaced you are looking, Panta. Look at your face now. Sometimes people that are not even relevant in matters always try to jump the gun. Look at you now. Obasafwa. You are the own share what it. See what one of my mobile Edem Bonnie and Chem. Me who say nipa bia wo mfa so wo wiase na awurade so pese enam wo so na me so me nya ehomobro enya ho brase ehia nyansa pa me ni so ade hunu a na awurade pese me hunu me hunu me sai kra wo nem fa cha me wate enu me ho na ebi nsipio
My dear young lady, I have put my ego aside and I'm talking to you with all humility and remorse. Raya, I'm born be a middle fast to be a miss so many no from a bonnet champ water. I am very remorseful of my actions. Se me say, me kai kaya. It may be some me who say, a dear nanty me want me to make ye near my ya. Can't say my ya chair one or mamma. Say, me bano, me who say, or do kind and what they do. Me say. Na me say also me that me bango don the pa. Me say hwenia me yeye. Na odo bia na wo ma me ba no. Emfiri wo mu ana esomete. Sin kodudwo kwa na ese me bua me bu kodudwo kwa wa show.
Yes sir.
Awurama fachi me what? To say I regret my actions is an understatement. I have really regretted every single thing I did against you. I am so sorry. I am very sorry. Hey, baby. Bakwasia Nancy's an agony. Hey, baby, but I have caused more harm than good.
Until don't brush it off. Come to terms with your emotions. You won't be feel free to express your emotions. I mean, say, I can't be here and send back.
Okay,
So, who's on this with me? My year crowd, my year crowd, my year crowd. So, bonnet check what it. So, I'm miserable. Bonnet check.
Me can be never can be an account. China or the Bechem. And Apache me. Now, catch you know. And those change the way. That's why we know. Now, in which is here, sir, better house Africa. You make sure say you be out to nothing, Mama. I'm ready, I'm a dear cousin. I am worrying with me.
And many in Panta trivia. And what I've seen of her embodies a very good girl.
Oh,
she is an epitome
one of value
of a good woman.
Values with good character. So we are proud to have you.
Mommy, wait me the way man. Wait me the my mommy. Wait me you am the my man. I come the offer to
obey. Anna. So because obey.
Ndi anyala. Tintuns and so. And sweetheart.
Mamma, banana manage no more. And Mamma, Crasma, I must trace our Baha no more Becassa. It's a number of generals and best friend.
I don't know what hostel. What am I ban? And intunes and should be any.
And the woman tunes and
Medofu, and I bear any money in my bed. Oba, in your chase. There's any in there. Cheers. To a successful marriage between my son and Adjei and Awurama.
Between my daughter and your son.
And yes. Abusiafo. Ene enije dakese de baye nyina. In the sense that abusua mienu ena ye share us. Honam baako emma. Ni edi kan maje mfodi atom. Message na eye mi ankasa manem. Na mapamacho. Aso. Era. Me ame manya ni ye kra. Find it in your heart to forgive me, okay? Uma mesa for. And me say o se o de ache me. Ba mesa sere. Oba. Fame bone chem, what? Ye ma me sa e pa che on say. Say mu mienu na mo betu e ya brabo mu ana mo. Enti say ye yi e ya o na mfiri mu a. Ebedu baby sa ya wo na so de eye enkugo e beba brabo yi mu. Bibi so anse ya. Bibi nye yi. Anyira ente. Enam sa de ye si ye hwi. Menya adesua bebre. Enemme ana mi munipa. Me ana me feel say me should be mada. Me hu say ni pepia wo faso. Ewo eye ewiase ayeti mu. Esua ho brase. Esua the way I see ni nipa. Edi nkita ho. Ama eda ewo me ni me kuru ntam kra so no. Sei asaye kese. Me say anyira anyeden ente. Enti eya ware anamo na mutu. Mesre. Si edi ya oni nyina abetu yechi. Na date ne de ebe firi mo ho na aba. Yesu yegu ya ho boaso. Nana, Senia, many waka so many times. I am 100% in support of this marriage because the scales have fallen from her eyes. Looking at Awurama candidly, no, me want to say, Sebi omami atitini. Na abuwe here, ene enya abuwa baba. Na enam Awurama so senti. Awurama is generational poverty what na busu mo no. Awurama na ebiliki saade no. Awurade e ma nipa bi ba nipa abra bom for a purpose. Nti menim sɛ wo so afam bia dia obeye ama ewura ne na busua. Omo hare wo no. Menim sɛ obeye. Na ma mesafo a me bonfuye enye basabasa ye. Oyonkun ka kire ne so so fanya adihira. Wo a wo de wo kura wo dia che. Ena ho wo so no ho ena ho ene wo ye se no. Adie na de bere. Wanka obeye den. Enye wa on say wa unya international erade ama na me powerful. So dey erade see na dey.
Me nua na me kana me ko.
Oh.
Ade a was say no say also the film so ba me.
You just meddle in our affairs. That is how I see it. You are just a meddler in people's affairs.
Meba. Me nua de ba me ko.
Any telephone. Send ya wakoma dance with you no. E so no so hia saa de ne bi firi ko.
Da bi ade a wo kana die. Ele kwa so na pa chawo mama kan kasa function. Mama kasa.
Chiti ha. Na waso hise ho ko.
Ah, obuade nke ni.
Mama chawo de se no si bi kana no. So say wo de from so ba me.
So how can
me hemi nyenya. Adjei bibia malaka. Iti me twetwetwetwe a enyi. Enkenya sa pa dia. Ubai no hodjo. Nanso kami nya ma ne fa baba wa yi da.
Afọ na wo.
Nanso me hwa wo yira. Me say bopo ni emi
Hwe.
Iti me hwe. Me di mani to wo de fo wo ni. Na asoba be me. Fefo. Munti be ja na ka wate. Ka wuni a. Enke jade.
Adjei time. Your machinations will come to naught. Whatever you plan doing will be to no avail. Love rules now. I am talking from a standpoint of love. Love overrides everything in this world. Love reigns. So your machinations, I said, will come to naught. Thank you.
Thank you. We live za wado on modo tibie bibia na.
no support. There's some tiwa no say.
Send them here. Yen fa kwa ko fie. O chane da ba. Be me we be na to no sa na twa ne be da ba. Open sa. So I'm na nim na atie. Omonti o me ka se papa sa. Aso wo o hwe wa no hu de wo ka. Yen fa kwa ko ne sa na dwuma. Nyeri. Ayo. Na me no ma me
Therefore, when you are Daroma, say when you dim kata. Isa myself. Nana. Ebi aso bi eni ho chi for asempa ekodo. Empo se mani hu ade a ehunhu matimi mu ehu se me baba ne nani Adjei. Tese me so me mama ni jima no. Do ko a wo koi ebeka me nko abi se so aga osole a won tifi ewura na ya de bia wo brede mame. Ya so enu so nti no me twin ka se mame be enso hwehwe ne daachi abrabo. Therefore many jedodo ewo osuya waso emu fidua yi. Ka me simple mfata se me betina.
O se patapa. Una hu sa be die. Say I have come to realize it. O se patapa. You were destined to be an integral part of our family. O se patapa.
Jami emo. Me de tine me. You am kwa bashi. Me ni ato.
Therefore, ye me kan nyina se me da wase. Isa so da oba be ma na Adjei. Se wo hu me no ahwe me tibia bia me namu. Na onya odo sonko ade kyereme. Onya odo de ma me ni mabusua ama ne odo no afifi adua papa ama me. Therefore, me
Oh no.
Yeah. Baby, one of the
doesn't got into that.
And now they are dear ma. You go to Jaya.
and Adjei say nyame hira de ma wate. Ade ba kwa wo me hu a abusua mu nyina mu ni se. E obi a ade ne me hu enso hu na maka. Ade hinta ne tumi a kire. Eno na wo me hu therefore nti se bibi kire wa adwen so a wada Roma. Man ka se me ni obi a se bi mo ba abusua ni de Adjei bi ebe so ye tia ho. Se wo bie mu kire me a, etumi a kire wo
Oh, so you have the gift of prophecy, right?
Yeah.
I see.
Yo, Mami Savoie. You see, we can talk about her. Happiness is not measured by the amount of money one's have, but it's measured by the wonderful people in your life. Sometimes, I don't know any part here. Now, when you are there, or they do nipa that's a media was assassin. The media do be a obviously. Sabi when you kafra, enifra, enye krono. Enifra, enye bone. Yare a ewo nipa so. Bisa wo yare a etse no bizuo malaria. Ina yare. Enifra kwa de sabi nkum nipa. Nipa transche. Nyamina abo di do nyamina de plan. Di file ko yeso e ba dwe wo. Yemu se ni bisi asesa wo so wasetina. Ma abijie ayde ewi upe. Engase bia obani ni ojaka onko.
No, we will bring her to live with us in this house. Yes.
What is this stuff?
So our house, no, the boys, you are not coming here. No, 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 you are not part of the family. No, no. And I am pleased she has the gifts of prophecy.
Yeah.
Baba Vanga. That means Ghana we have a Baba Vanga.